Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use TikTok in India. So basically, TikTok is banned in India, but you can use it. Just go to App Store or Play Store in your phone, and on the search bar, search for a VPN, just like Super VPN. Because I have already downloaded it, you need to install it first. I'm just opening it. You need to connect the VPN. After the VPN is connected, just minimize it and go to Google. Search TikTok. Here you can see the first official web page for TikTok. Click on it. You can see in the bottom, the right corner, your profile icon. Click on it. Here you can see sign up. After signing up, you can use TikTok in Google. So guys, this is how can you use TikTok in India. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.